Dollar Tree that's a good 30 minutes away from me, so we're gonna go in here and see what they got. If they got any new stuff or some things that I've never seen at my local Dollar Tree, so let's go check it out. Cool. Is there such a thing as having too many tumblers though? Look. $1 floating seats, kickboards, slideboards, the noodles. Great deals. I love these things. Look at this. Great deal for $1. So it looks like we got some summer stuff out. Graduation stuff out. Graduation stuff. 2018. Aww. I got this. I love this steak. Out of the office. Need more coffee. Those are cute. Mirrors. Oh, look at that pineapple. That is so cute. That would be cute in the kitchen if you're doing like a pineapple themed kitchen. Or even on your patio in the back. Okay, Dollar Tree, I see you. I've never seen these. These are new to me. Look at them with their scented oil warmer diffusers. Cute. They got an owl, a seashell. Okay. These are 25 cents. They don't smell like nothing though. Huh. These are cute to me. These are really cute. They'll be cute on your desk. Cute candles. Cute. Jackpot. Celebrate mom. Look at these. Brow pencils. With the little... Yes, what are these? Auto lip liners. Cute. We got Twirl. All natural. All natural, like that one. Edgy. Classic. Poppin'. Then we got some lip glosses. Cute. Wow. This is a real pretty pink. Huh. I like that color. I know I like a good lip gloss. Huh. Those are cool. And lipsticks. Got the concealer. The conceal corrector. That's cool. I've never seen these in here before. Ooh, some pressed powder highlighters. Almond sauce, lip balms, smoky eye stuff. Come on, come through Dollar Tree. See? This is some stuff too. I haven't seen before. That's awesome. Look at these. Oh, cool. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love these. Oh, these are awesome. How cool. Black and silver with iridescent. Got this blush pink with silver and gold. We got this pink with green. Holy smokes. I'm gonna get this black one. Those are so so cool. What a great buy. Oh, they come in two different sizes. Let me make sure I got the right size. So we have this square shaped one like this. And then we also have this like rectangular shaped one. So I'll make sure I got the square one. Yeah. How cute. I could do something with those. I'm not sure what. I've seen those before, but I haven't seen this honeysuckle and green tea pure vegetable soap. Huh. They got body wash, honeysuckle and green tea. They got hand wash. This is cool. Facial wipes, body cream. They even have some bath bombs. What's up with pure vegetable soap? I gotta look that up. If you guys know, drop it in the comment section below. Got some bath soap. Awesome. So we got coconut oil and sea salt, and we had that other one. Oh, what is this? Pear. What about that Italian pear? It probably smells really good. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I just came out the Dollar Tree. As you can see, did a little walkthrough for you guys. And so now I'm going to show you the things that I got real quick. And I must say, I think making the little drive out here was well worth it. Now, granted, I had to come out here anyway because I was picking up a shirt from Kohl's for my son. And so it was definitely worth the trip. So let me show you the things that I got. Super excited. You guys already seen me looking at these in the store. Super, super cute. They are reversible sequin bins, perfect for organizing books, toys, clothing, and more. I definitely could have bought like all of these, but I only bought two. I got the black where the sequins is either iridescent one side and then silver on the other side. So I did get two of those, which I thought was a really good buy. Then on my way to the register when I was checking out, they had these cute little mini fans up there. I just think this is so adorable. This is a beautiful like Tiffany blue tealish green color, which happens to be Vivek's very favorite color. They had it in this color, and yellow was all that I seen. I got this one. I'm gonna give it to my mom. Would say for Mother's Day, but I'm gonna give it to her before Mother's Day. So she's a woman of a particular age, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to give this to her so she can put it on her desk and see how it works, because, you know, sometimes when you get a certain age, you be needing some air. Okay? So we'll see how that works. So I got to get home and get to my screwdriver, because you have to screw the back off to put the batteries in, and it takes 2 AA batteries. So I will let you guys know how that works out. If you've gotten those before and you liked it or disliked it, let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, then when I was actually leaving, my mom was like, hey, when you go to Dollar Tree, see if they have a book lamp. And I was like, okay. And she's like, well, they probably won't, but you never know. Dollar Tree seems like to amaze me. And lo and behold, they had one. They had a clip-on spotlight. So I got her this one. I don't know if it needs batteries. It says it's LED, or if it comes with batteries. Oh, it says includes 3 non-replaceable 1.5 volts LR41 alkaline batteries. So I got her this. And then I also got her, they had a lot of these. They had these in black and silver. They had a lot of these. But I also got her this one. This was the only one that I seen, so I'm guessing it was the last one. And this one is a lot cooler because you could clip this on like the cover of the book, and then as you turn the pages, you know, you won't have to keep moving this. This, I'm not so sure how it's gonna work, so that's why I got two to see which one she likes better. And then, I mean, heck, it's only $1, so it won't hurt to have more than one. Then you guys know I love having my earbuds. So I got this one. Actually, I got these for my mom. Well, I got one for me, one for her. I'll let her choose whatever color she wants. So I got them in 2 colors I like. I got this color and I got black. So regardless of whatever color she chooses, I'll be happy also. So I got those, and these are cool because they come with a little case. And I like the earbuds that are round because they just sit off in my ear better. I don't like the fatter ones. I guess my ears are too small for them. I don't know. Then I got me some nail laters. I got some nail laters, the mystery mix. So hopefully they're good. But it says assorted flavors of original and chewy candy. So I'm hoping there's some good flavors in here. It says mystery mix. So hopefully you get some good flavors in here. We'll see. I'll let you guys know. Well, let's see. Let's open it. I'm hoping they don't be so hard to where they like freaking be about to break my teeth. You know what I mean? Oh snaps. It's like we got some good flavors. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. So we got banana, which I love banana. We got watermelon, which I absolutely love watermelon. We even got strawberry, which is cool. We got blue raspberry. Anyway, you just gotta love when your phone cuts off from you. But anyway, we got an extreme sour watermelon, which I'm pretty sure I'm not gonna care for it. And we got extreme sour, another watermelon. And yeah, all the other ones are the same. So yeah, it smells delicious. Can't wait to try it out. Then the last two items that I got were some vent clips for the car, some air fresheners for the car. So I got this one in cucumber melon. And then I got this one. This brand is Driver's Choice. And I got it in the new car Ocean Breeze smell. And then this brand was just Refresh. So I want to try this one first. So let's see if this even got a smell to it. You know what I'm saying? And who watched Saturday Night Live last night? It was so funny. And I'm so excited that Miss Cardi B finally, you know what I'm saying, shared with the world her pregnancy, which, you know, it's her choice. She doesn't have to. She don't want to. I was supposed to say, where's the clip? It's right here. You gotta put it on there. Then I guess you have to pull that off. And then slide that in. Then you can close it by this little thing. So it's closed. You can open it. You can just kind of have it a little bit open so you can control the scent. So I'm going to put that in my car and see how it does. Let me see if it keeps my car smelling good. So yeah, that's it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. You guys just don't understand how much it means to me. I'm so excited about the channel's growth. So yeah, if you want to see more videos like this where I do Dollar Tree walkthroughs and a haul in the car, be sure to go ahead and drop them comments down below. Or if you just like the traditional Dollar Tree haul more, go ahead and just let's vote. You know what I'm saying? Cast your vote. Let me know. I personally like them both, but you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I just don't mind doing a Dollar Tree, like especially when it's just like a little small one in my car. That way I get to share the items with you guys. I don't go home and, you know, start using the stuff and then, you know, whatever. So just let me know in the comments down below what you think. And yeah, until next time, stay you, stay beautiful, and stay unique. Be sure to follow me on all my other social media outlets. I will have everything listed down below. And yeah, enjoy your Sunday. Oh, and be sure to watch Saint and Sinners tonight. If this is uploaded afterwards, then catch you next Sunday. Saint and Sinners is cool. It comes on Bounce, which you just have to Google it and see what channel that is in your area. I don't know if Bounce even comes on cable networks though. So if you have cable, you might not be able to watch it. But just look it up. It's called Saints and Sinners. It's a really good show. It comes back on tonight. I think it's in season 3 if I'm not mistaken. So anyways, all right guys. Talk to you later. Smooches.